Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to say or share few information to you guys about the Textnow's latest update of 2024, which was released on February 6th, I guess. Today, the date which I'm recording this video is going to be February 17th. So, I'm not only just going to share the updates information, but I'm also going to, you know, share to you what are the errors which may occur, and I'm going to teach you guys how to actually install this application. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn everything clearly and you do not want to face any more problems in the future. First of all, this is the application which I was talking about. This application name is Textnow, call plus text unlimited. This is from the Textnow Corporation. It has another application known as second line, but right now it's released. It's not available in the Google Play Store. It has over 100 million plus downloads. This is the market leader in terms of virtual number applications, which provides you with the free US numbers, US or Canada numbers, which will enable you to make unlimited calls within the US and Canada. But right now, because of certain update of 2022 or 2023, I'm not sure about that. But after that certain update, we were unable to make social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram using the number which we get from the Textnow application. It's because they actually converted the feature to receive OTPs as paid. So right now we won't be able to make social media accounts. But this application is the best application to make unlimited calls within the US and Canada. As you can see, I have this application, but usually you won't be able to find this application in the Google Play Store if you're located outside the US and Canada. Especially if you're located in the Asian countries, you won't be able to find this application. This is because of certain update of 2023. Well, if you want to learn more, then just go take a look at my description or the comment section. There would be a lot of videos. In that videos, there would be a video showing you or explaining you about the Textnow update of 2023. Just pause this video and go take a look at that video and watch that video entirely and come back again to this video in order to learn about the Textnow update of 2023. Well, the Textnow update of 2024 is just like adding oil to the fire. It just became even more stricter for the people who are located outside the US and Canada to make use of this application. But primarily the reason is going to be because of a certain law. It's not a written law, but it's going to be a local law passed by the US government, or more specifically the police enforcement. It's to reduce the scams happening in the US and Canada from the Asian countries using the US or Canada numbers and impersonating someone and just scamming you. So because of a certain update, because of that 2023 update, we have actually started facing four errors. One was the installation error. The second one is going to be the sign up error. That is Textnow's unavailable in country error. The next one is going to be an area code error. That is when you actually go to choose your local phone number from the Textnow application, you would be displayed with this error. The last and final error would be your account has been disabled error. Let's say people like me who had their accounts previously before 2023. I had my account made in 2018, I guess. So for the people like me who had account previously, their account is going to get disabled, or even if you overcome the problems and you make an account, your account is going to be once again get disabled. And even if you submit an appeal, you're not going to get any response. If you are a paid user, you have generated some revenue for this application, not only from the advertisement, but you have purchased some plan, they may respond to you, but obviously your account is not going to be given to you back. Well, now if you take a look at how to install this Textnow application, the most easiest way to install it would be navigating to this website, textnow.com. If you're using an other device such as laptop or PC, then you can just visit this website and you can use the Textnow online. But if you're using a mobile phone, then you would be displayed with this. Just click on this button, get in on Google Play. You would be redirected to your Google Play Store page where you would be able to find this application. All you have to do is just click on the install button and you would be able to install this application right from the original source. You would not be needed to install it from any of the sources where it may be a virus or something. As you can see, if I go to the Textnow settings, I can see that my version is 24.5.0.2, which means that it was released in the year 24. It was released on 5th of February, that is the second month. And as you can see, I have this application downloaded from the Google Play Store. Now, if we are going to look at the update was released in 6th of February 2024. In this update, actually, there are not any noticeable features. There are actually no features this week, but keep checking the space for future announcement is what they have given. Okay, fine. New and not so noticeable is going to be the optimization, minor bug fixes, and performance and stability improvements. Not only this, this is what they say it out to you, but the thing is that they have made it more stricter, and now the people who are using VPNs such as, let's say, Proton or IPVanish, and if it is connecting to the US, and if you are making an account, then previously there was, like, let's say I had 30% of chances in being successful, but right now we have less than 5% of chances of being successful. That is what the new update does. Even though I have a paid VPN like IPVanish, it's not going to work. It has not worked. For proofs, if I should just I show you guys, I can connect to Ashburn. Ashburn is a place located in the United States. I'm going to show you guys what I was telling you about previously. I'm just going to click on sign up. The most efficient way would be to use sign up using Google or Facebook, but in this video I am going to actually sign up with email, as all my Facebook accounts and Google accounts actually have a Textnow account. I'm going to randomly choose, let's say, any email, and I'm going to just sign up using the password. Let's see now what is the next page which we are getting redirected to. Well, as you can see, it's been nearly 2 minutes since I pressed the sign up button. Right now the time is 12:14. When I actually signed up, the time was 12:12. Still, I did not get any response. It just means that our IP address has been banned, and even though we are using a premium VPN, this application is not working. So what are the ways to resolve this? Well, you can just install any previous version of this application, or you can install a modded version of this application along with the modded VPN. It still works for now, but again it's going to be banned in the near future, but for now it's working, so you can just try it out. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. There's something very important to share to you guys. The thing is about a certain update of 2024 in our channel. The thing is our channel is getting monetized, and now you will be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And after subscription, you'll be able to find the join button. Just click on this and take a look at the perks being provided if you become a member of a community. Once again, it's me Suri Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.